Hello everyone, welcome to the virtual lab on analog digital electronics. The first experiment which we are going to perform, the design of 3S to 8 decoder using logic gates. So I have shared you the link of this virtual lab with you. This link is already with you. So how to perform this experiment that using the simulation that we are going to study in this today's video. So the design of 3S to 8 decoder using the logic gates. So title is 3S to 8 decoder. Aim to design the decoder using logic gates. That is, it is nothing but a 3-bit binary number to octal number conversion. Okay. So what are the learning outcomes of this experiment? At the end of this experiment, students are able to define the decoder and its significance. Second, construct the truth table for 3S to 8 decoder. Design the combinational logic circuit using logic gates and elaborate the applications of decoder. So you will find that in this link I have mentioned what are the apparatus required for this. Suppose you want to do the hardware implementation, you will require a digital printer kit and the IC 7411. Okay, three numbers IC and IC 74001 number. Okay, so these are the IC. This is nothing but logic gate and logic gates IC. So that is required. So theory is explained in this YouTube video. I have shared the YouTube video of this link. So decoder theory is already shared with you using the YouTube video. So this is the truth table of 3 as to 8 decoder. Suppose the input is 000, then y0 will be 1. Suppose the input is 001, then y1 will be equal to 1. All other outputs are 0. See that here there are the 3 inputs and 3 inputs 2 raised to 3. That is total 8 number of output from y0 to y7. So using this Fallstad, so I have given the link of this Fallstad circuit. So using this Fallstad circuit, you can design the logical circuit. You can design the logical circuit. So see, I have given you the diagram in this that three inputs are there and complement of that three inputs lines are also given. So I want the output y0. So if you see here, y0 output y0 will be equal to when a b c is equal to 0, means you have to prepare this diagram. Means in this I can connect this to here, this to here, and this link. So let me show you with the pen. So I can connect. So I'm taking the pen. So for better understanding, okay. So I can take this from here to here. This can be connected here and this can be connected here. Likewise, you have to complete the total diagrams. Okay, so likewise you have to complete the total diagram related to the 3 as to 8 decoder. Okay. So the simulation circuits, so how to perform the simulation circuit, that instructions are given here. I am going to demonstrate here. I have asked you 3 as to 8 decoder, so I am going to explain 2 as to 4 decoder how to design, and from that you have to design the 3 as to 8 decoder. After completion of 3 as to 8 decoder, you have to appear this question and answer. How to appear this, I will tell you in the next I will tell you in the presentation. So let me open the Fallstad. So this I have opened the Fallstad circuit. So here, so you can, from this circuits you can open the blank circuit. So I have opened the blank circuit for the simplification, and I have prepared this table. You can also prepare this table. So see that what is my 2 as to 4. Okay, so I have, let me check. Hmm, so I have a 2 as to 2 inputs. So total number of outputs are equal of the decoders are equal to 4. So as the total number of outputs are equal to 4, okay, so this total number of output are equal to 4. So see, A and B, these two are acting like inputs, and from Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, these are acting like an output. So when input is 0, 0, the output is y0 is equal to 1. When input is 0, 1, the output is equal to y1 is equal to 1. When input is 1, 0, the y2 is equal to 1, and when input is 1, 1, the y3 is equal to 1. So here you have observed that. So suppose I want to write down the equation of y0. So y0 is equal to 1. Suppose I want to connect the AND gate. So if I want to connect the AND gate, so how I will give the input of A and B? Suppose I directly connected the A and B. So A and B both are 0, 0. So the output will be get 0. But what is expected in the y0? What is expected in y0? Y0, the output is expected as a 1. So we have expected the output 1. So to get the output 1, I must complement this 2. I must complement this 2 means what is the input it should be given here? That is A bar and B bar. A bar and B bar. So A bar and B bar input must be. So Y0 equation is equal to A dash B dash, or you can call it as A bar B bar. Similarly, Y1 equation will be A bar B. Similarly, Y2 equation will be equal to AB bar and Y3 equation will be equal to AB. So now we want to implement this. So it is clear from this diagram that we require four AND gates. So let me take AND gates from here. If I right click here, so you will find out the logic gate. So from this logic gate, I will take AND gate. So I will paste the first AND gate over here. Okay, so then you press the escape, then arrow will appear. So you select that and you copy that. Okay, so I'm copying this all. So I will make the four AND gates here. So 4 AND gates here. Now I require two inputs A and B. So let me take the inputs. Okay, so for that you go to the logical gate and you press on the input. So for this input, so if you observe, sorry, if you observe, I will take once again the logical gates, add logic input. So from this, okay, from this I have taken this first input. So here you will observe that is the L means low. So how to change this? I can make it high or I can make it low. So I will press the escape and I will edit this. Okay, so for edit, right click and edit. So I want not high low, it is a it is what numeric value. It is what numeric value I require this. So I will press the apply over here. Okay, so you can observe it is a 1 0. I can make this line 1 0. So I will add the text over here. So for better understanding, so from the output you go to the text, and I will mark here this text as this input line as input line A. Okay, this is input line A. So here I have connected the input A. So now I will make the copy of this input A. Okay, so I will make the copy of this input A, and I will place this here, and I will name this as the signal B. So I will name this as a signal B. Okay. So now I have to connect the AB complement, means I require two NOT gate over here. So how to connect this AB complement here? So I will right click again, go to the logic gates, come to the logic gates. From this logic gates, I will take a NOT gate. Okay, that is inverter. It is also called as inverter, and I will place this inverter over here. So I have placed this inverter. Now let me escape this. From the right click, then you can take the wire, add wire, and from this add wire I will connect this NOT gate here. So it is showing black means it is get connected now. Okay, so if it is showing the red, then it is not connected. Suppose this is it is showing the red, then it is not connected. So keep in mind. So this inverter gate I will copy this one, Control C, and the same NOT gate I will place over here. Same NOT gate I will place over here. Then again I will make a add wire. I will connect this wire here. Now see, for the first one the output is A B bar. So let me take this signal. So if this is the A signal, what will be the signal over here? This signal is nothing but the A bar. Okay. Suppose this is the B signal. What will be the signal here? It is, will show, add drop bar on top. So AB bar. So now for the first AND gate, I have to connect the A bar B bar. According to this, Y0 is equal to A bar B bar. So I will take a wire. So this, sorry. So I will add a wire, and from this I will connect this wire to here. It's connected. Now for this, and then I will connect to here. So it is A bar B bar. So for a testing purpose, okay, so you can run this circuit. See, so see, this is green means it is get connected. So you can say that it is got connected now. For the Y1, what is the output? A bar B. So for Y1, I have to take the A bar. So from this A bar is taken, and for the second input, it is B. So it is connected to B. Next, I will connect the third to the A bar, third to the A, and next is the B bar. So it is connected to the A, and this is connected to B bar. This is connected to B bar. And this last one I have to connect it with the A. So this is also connected to A, and this must be connected to B. So to get the Wi-Fi, So I have connected this. Now I want to see the output. So I will go to the LED logic gates, and from this I will get the logical output. So logical output, I will connect this here, and I will make the right edit. So I want this is in form of numerical value, or it is whether it is a high or low. Similarly, I will connect here. I want this is in terms of numerical value. Okay. Similarly, I will connect here. I want this in terms of numerical value. Okay. If I connected this over here, then again I want it as a numerical value. So edit is a numerical value. Now let's see. So this is what you can say here. You can say it is a y0, which is a dash b dash. So here it is a y1. So already I have typed this, since I am dragging this. You need not to drag this also. This is just for information. This label is just for information. You need not to prepare this also. Okay. So now let's see. We will verify the table 0 0. When both are 0 0, I will run the simulation. See, on the right hand corner there is run and stop. So run. When I click the run, so see, when the 0 0, the y0 is equal to 1. When y0 is equal to 1, when 0 1, y1 is equal to 1. When it is a 1 0, or y2 is equal to 1, and when both are 1 1, the y3 is equal to 1. So here you have observed that we have performed the 2 as to 4 decoder circuit. So here we studied the experiment of 2s to 4 decoder. Likewise, you have to prepare the 3s to 8 decoder, and after doing this, so here you will find there is the export as a link. Okay, this is in the file. You go to the export as a link. So you click on that. So it will create. Okay, so this will the link in this big format. So you can make a shorter URL also. So wait for a shorter URL. So it will create a shorter URL. Okay. So you copy such link over here. So I am copying this 2s to 4 decoder. You have to design the 3s to 8 decoder, and you have to copy the link of 3s to 8 decoder. So now come to the again which I have created, the virtual lab. So you come to that virtual lab, and in that virtual lab there is a question answer session. Let it to be appear. There is a question and answer session at the end. So you will observe that there is a Q&A session at the end. So here you have to click to the Q&A session. So if you if you see here, so I have to suppose my you place your name, surname, okay, then you go for okay, so first name, okay, so it is directly coming, so you place your roll number, then your division, suppose I'm from the division B, so I'm clicking the division B, you click on next, so then you will observe that you have to press that URL over here. So keep in mind this is for 10 marks. Okay, so you have to paste this URL, whatever you have designed the circuit of the 3 to 8 decoder. Then you click on next. There you will observe that question and answer. So I will visit to this link and I will observe what circuit you have designed, and I will check your inputs and outputs all, so that it will be confirmed to me that you have designed the circuit correctly, and accordingly I will give you the marks. And later on you have to appear this question and answer. There are MCQ types of the question, so you have to appear this is for the again for 10 marks. So this is total 10 questions are here, so you have to appear this. Okay, so this is after submitting this total experiment is of 20 marks. 10 marks is for the designing and 10 marks is for the MCQ. So you appear this before the due date and complete all the activity. Thank you.